Once upon a time, in a lush green meadow, lived a friendly gander named Gaston. Gaston was known for his bright yellow feathers and his big, warm heart. One sunny day, Gaston decided to go for a swim in the nearby pond. He swam and played, enjoying the cool water and the sunshine. Suddenly, Gaston noticed a small duckling, caught in the reeds. The little duckling was struggling to free itself. Gaston, with his strong wings, quickly flew over to help. Gaston gently pulled the reeds apart, freeing the little duckling. The duckling thanked Gaston with a chirp of gratitude. From that day on, the two became the best of friends. Together, Gaston and the duckling went on many adventures. They swam in the pond, played hide and seek in the meadow, and even shared stories by the fire at night. One night, as the moon was high in the sky, Gaston and the duckling lay down on the meadow and watched the stars. Gaston told the duckling stories of the constellations, pointing out Orion, the Big Dipper, and the Little Dipper. The next morning, the duckling asked Gaston, "Gaston, why do you always help others?" Gaston smiled and replied, "Because it's the right thing to do, and it makes me feel good inside." From that day on, Gaston and the duckling continued their adventures, always helping others and spreading kindness wherever they went. They reminded everyone that a kind heart and a helping hand can make the world a better place. And so, the story of Gaston the gander spread far and wide, inspiring many to be kind and helpful, just like Gaston. The end.